Roger, here's your little 363 small block Ford. Just got done running it. Everything went great. Description of this combination. It's got the AFR cylinder heads on it. It's got the beautiful Billet Specialties front end. It's got a custom designed hydraulic roller we do in-house. Obviously it's got the Borla setup. This is the natural finish. Got the valve covers to kind of match it. Obviously it's Holley EFI Terminator X, great system. When you receive it, it'll have these tags on it, kind of tell you where to hook everything up. This is basically everything it needs just to run, so it'll kind of be pretty self-explanatory. Also, we will download the program and a little chip on the handheld there, so you'll have that in case something goes wrong. It's all programmed, ready to go. We'll take you in there and show you how it ran. Alrighty, down at 3,500, it's 425 foot-pounds of torque. Like it peaks torque 440. Peaks horsepower 503. We rated it at 500. It's got a front end on it. It's usually about 1520. So obviously it runs really well. That's the Borla. So kind of give you a glimpse of this is the graph of the fuel map. Everything's pretty good there. So we'll get her off there, get in her crate, come your way. Have a great day.